Hello everyone, this is DIZ, and I'm debuting 2 free cards that come with the rulebook for Tales and Realms that allow a player to use their mobile device, their phone or their tablet, or any handheld device like that. The 2 cards are literal by name phone tablet, also known as mobile device, at lore 18. And I think I crossed lore before in another video. Before I do a main video on the rule book and cross lore, I'm going to try to mention it in each video. To reach the lore score on a card, a character only needs to have an intelligence score or a wisdom score equal to or higher than the lore, and then that character can address the whatever the card is attributed to as the second name or the third name, the minor name, and it allows that character to have access to the card. That's how that works. The card has 2 names, a major name, this is phone/tablet, and the minor name, in this case it's mobile device, and your character would know that name. If their lore were 18, they would gain access to everything on the card. They would gain access to that card, which is necessary in this case because this comes with another card. There are 2 cards, these 2 free cards that come with the rule book. There's also, I'm going to go back to the other card to explain, Gibbler self-defense app, which is an imaginary app that'll come with your mobile device. It needs the mobile device card, so your lore has to be 18. And your character, you could pretend to have this app on your mobile device. And the awards, the character this card is used for has access to the Gibbler Corp self-defense device network. And what that means in the game is, in circumstances, according to using projectile shock nodes, which is another feature of the game that lays out exactly where imaginary objects are and their sizes and so forth, where they're placed and where it's valid to have them appear, is part of the system, so players can share imagination across their characters no matter what the imaginary object is. That's projectile shock. I'll go into that when it's valid in another video. But this app allows the player access to a new library of cards coming. And that's going to be an ongoing work. I don't know how long it'll last, at least as long as the classes come out. The Gibbler self-defense app will be around for commoners who don't have a class. But everyone can use it. Everyone has this, or can have it. And the original card just gives some stats to your mobile device. It needs only the commoner class tradability card, so everyone can use this. And it gives some protection and hazard to your mobile device, so you could swing it around if you wanted to. Be careful, remember you're not really fighting. It's not really anything. It's make-believe. And you don't really want to strike anyone unless that's somehow permitted. You don't want to do that. It's all theatrical. You pretend. Don't forget that when you're playing the game. Don't be too excited. That's a mistake. You're supposed to use your acting skills. But you can have your mobile device. There's no reason why the acting RPG doesn't involve or include mobile devices, or that it shouldn't. I can imagine scenes where it would be valid for characters to have mobile devices, and there are mobile devices in the realms of the story, and they would match these. Everyone can bring their mobile device into the game if they wish to do so with the access of these two cards. See you guys later.